model, 68 plate Ford Transit Custom 300 Limited starts runs needs turbo Euro 6 No Vat. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 151023. MOT, the 13th of October 2025. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 130 PS. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Check engine light on the dash. Straightforward turbo replacement job. Engine clutch gearbox a perfect absolute bargain. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine.